Alright, in this video we're going to be finding the slope of the tangent line. Key part here is going to be you need to know that the slope of the tangent line is arrived at by finding the derivative. So we have a function here, y equals natural log of x squared. We're going to find that slope of that tangent line at x equals e to the second. So straightforward, find the derivative here. Now you do need to have that formula memorized for finding the derivative of a natural log function. So we've got our y equals natural log x squared. Our formula for finding the derivative, so d dx of, let's say, natural log of a u, all right, where u is a function of x, u is a function of x, meaning I could have anything inside here. I could have, in this case, an x squared. I could have a 2x plus 3. I could have an x minus 4. Whatever that inside part there is, it's going to be a function of x. All right, well, that formula is u prime over u. So we take the inside part of that natural log function, we take the derivative, put that on top, and then put whatever that inside part of that natural log function is on the bottom. Okay, so you do need to have that memorized. All right, now with that said, my u is going to be the x squared. Now I generally do not write this down because for the most part this is pretty simple and we can do this in our head, but our u is going to be that inside part there. It's going to be x squared. So then when I go to calculate my derivative y prime, I'm going to do u prime, so derivative of x squared is going to be a 2x, and then over u, which will just be an x squared. All right, now honestly it doesn't make any difference whether I simplify this because I can. I've got some like bases there, so I could go ahead and simplify there, or I wouldn't have to at that point. I could immediately say, okay, I need to find the slope of that line at the given point, so I can just immediately plug that in and simplify at the end. So your choice there how you do it. I'm just going to go ahead and plug the e to the second power in right away. All right, so then we'll have a 2e to the second power on the bottom, plugging that in for the x. I'll have an e to the second power and then raised to the second power. All right, doing power raised to a power here, I'll have an e to the fourth on the bottom. So we'll have 2e squared over an e to the fourth. All right, at this point now, we do need to use our laws of exponents and simplify that right there. So then we'll have a 2 on top and then an e to the second power. All right, so what is the slope of the tangent line of this equation at this point? 2 over e to the second. So that's the slope of my tangent line at x equals e to the second. So again, a pretty straightforward question. You have to find the slope of the tangent line in many, many different cases in your Calc 1 classes. All right, making that connection between the slope of the tangent line and the derivative is extremely important. And then the only thing that makes this maybe a little bit more challenging is if you do not have that derivative memorized, then you're going to struggle to find the derivative. Definitely, thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.